Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the horizontal line in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to adjust the thickness, color, or style of your divider lines, customizing these elements can really help your site match your brand's aesthetic perfectly. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites on the dashboard. You'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to change the horizontal line. This will open up that specific site's management area where you can make your edits. Now, once you're viewing the preview of your website, move your cursor over to the page and click on Edit Pages. This takes you into the editing mode where you can modify the content and design elements of your site. You might need to wait a moment for the editor to fully load. For this tutorial, let's say you have a horizontal line on your website that you want to customize to make these changes. Look at the left side menu and find the option labeled Custom Code. Click on that and then select Custom CSS. This is where you'll input the code that controls the appearance of various elements on your site, including horizontal lines. Now, let's start customizing. If you want to change the height of your horizontal line, type height : 5px . Feel free to adjust that number to whatever thickness you prefer for your design. You might want to pause the video here so you can copy the code exactly as it appears. Next, let's change the background color of the line. Type background : red . Of course, you can replace red with any color you like, whether it's a color name, a hex code, or an RGB value. This flexibility lets you match your horizontal line perfectly to your brand colors. Finally, let's add a border to give the line even more character. Type border : 2px solid black . Again, you can adjust the pixel size, change solid to dashed or dotted if you prefer a different style, and swap black for any color that works with your design. The beauty of using custom CSS is that you can explore endless styling options to make your horizontal line truly unique. Play around with different values, colors, and border styles until you find the perfect look for your Squarespace site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.